RX, prescription for a healthier you. Well, we all know that when we go to the hospital, it's because we want to be healthier. But did you know that you can go to GBMC and also become more beautiful? We've got the founder and medical director of Greater Beauty here joining me now. This is Dr. Jennifer Heller. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you for having me today.
I'm happy to be in your space. This is a new space, Greater Beauty, right?
It is. We just opened it this past fall and we're all extremely excited.
So tell me, what is it exactly?
Well, we realized that there was an opportunity that would exist within our GBMC family to have a spot, a division, where people could come and address, as you said, their more aesthetic concerns.
Yes.
Because certainly GBMC is very well known for its medical procedures and excellent physicians that address medical concerns. And we felt that, we'd like to add this to our repertoire.
I love that because a lot of people want to feel as beautiful as they do on the inside, on the outside, and that's an individual thing. So when you're meeting with people, what are some of the services that you can provide them?
Well, one of the other reasons I should say that we decided to found Greater Beauty here at GBMC was that there's something really lovely and comprehensive about having this space here within the hospital system. Because as a vascular surgeon, I feel it's very important for all of our patients to understand that regardless of the size or the complexity of the procedure, there's always perhaps inherent risk. And so this way we can afford our patients the comprehensive techniques that we can give them and the resources here.
Yeah.
So that's one of the big reasons that we wanted to open it here. And so we've started actually with a wide range of services. We have facial services. There's a new technique that's been out for the past couple of years, and we're very, very excited about it. Our patients are really loving it and singing the praises of something called a hydra facial.
Okay.
And this is a device that truly hydrates the skin, and we're able to tailor the hydra facial to meet people's specific skin concerns, such as fine lines, rosacea, and acne with special boosters. And we can also add special additions to this base hydrofacial, such as UVA or UVB light. And we also have cousins of the hydrofacial, also called Keravive, and that's actually a scalp treatment that also addresses different scalp needs, such as dryness, as well as hair loss. And people with a variety of different hair loss issues, regardless of the cause, we've seen really very promising initial results. In addition to that, we also offer neurotoxin, Botox, and Dysport services, and filler as well. Before we opened, some of these services were part of our vein center here at GBMC, and they comprise the laser hair as well as laser tattoo removal. And so that has also been moved over here to this new space.
And what's the reception been like so far?
It's been really excited. We had a soft opening here at GBMC for our employees, and everyone's been extraordinarily excited. And we're excited to be a part of not only the GBMC family, but also the community as well.
So you're just getting started, but already the reception obviously is very good. So what do you hope will happen with Greater Beauty in the future?
Well, there's a lot about beauty as we look in the mirror, but I think it's really important to understand inner beauty. And so we're hoping to also tap into that as well and provide a lot more comprehensive multidisciplinary services for all of our patients here.
How so? Is that more so like talking to them about the procedure itself and what they'll experience?
And also addressing state-of-the-art modalities that may not have anything to do with, instruments or procedures, but groups and talks and discussions in the future.
I love that. So if someone doesn't really know what direction they need to go in or want to go in, that's a consult that they can have with you and your team, and you can point them in the right direction.
Absolutely. And, we pride ourselves on really addressing the appropriateness of any procedure for the patient, and consultations are not you're not leaving here until you purchase something. It's getting people to understand the uniqueness of their skin and what their expectations are, and making sure that we can work with them to meet their expectations and hopefully exceed them.
Well, people have been trusting GBMC for a very long time, so it makes sense that it's right here on site. How can people get in touch with you if they have more questions?
We have a website, greaterbeautymedspa.com, and also people can fill out the online form and we'll get back to them within one business day.
Okay.
Our phone number, for those of us who are old-fashioned like myself, is 443-849-SKIN.
Perfect. All right, Dr. Heller, I want to thank you so much for, I was going to say being with me, for me being with you. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.